continue our previous section. In the previous section, we studied chapter 6, triangles, the first and second exercise. And we studied the basic proportionality theorem and the converse of basic proportionality theorem. Okay. Today we are going to discuss 3 more theorems or 3 more similarity criterions. The first one, theorem 6.3, that is AA similarity criterion. The criterion says, if in 2 triangles corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are same ratio or proportional, hence the triangles are similar. I repeat, if in 2 triangles corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are same ratio or proportional, hence the triangles are similar. Or this criterion is known as AA similarity criterion. Here AA or AAA, angle, angle, angle. The 2 triangles A, B, C and PQR. If 2 angles are equal to the corresponding triangle, here angle A and P are equal, angle B and angle Q are equal, we can say that if they are similar, their corresponding sides are same ratio. That means AB by PQ equal, AC by PR equal, BC by QR. That is AA similarity criterion. This is theorem 6.3. Okay. The next one, theorem 6.4, that is SSS similarity criterion. That criterion says, if in 2 triangles, the sides of one triangle are proportional to the sides of another triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal and hence the 2 triangles are similar. I repeat, if in 2 triangles, sides of one triangle are proportional to the sides of another triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal. That is, the 2 triangles are similar. A, B, C, P, Q, R. AB by PQ equal AC by PR equal BC by QR, and the corresponding angles are equal. We can say that by SSS similarity criterion, side, side, side. This is angle, angle similarity criterion. This is side, side, side similarity criterion. I repeat, if in 2 triangles, sides of one triangle are proportional to the sides of another triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal. This criterion is side, 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 SSS similarity criterion. Okay. The one more criterion, theorem 6.5. SAS similarity criterion. SAS, that means side, angle, side. The theorem says, if one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of another triangle and their sides are, including sides are same ratio or proportional, then the 2 triangles are similar. This similarity criterion is side, angle, side, SAS similarity criterion. I repeat, if one angle of a triangle is equal to ABC, PQR, one angle is equal to the other triangle. These 2 angles are equal and the corresponding sides are proportional. And the corresponding sides are equal. Here, angle B equal angle Q and AB by PQ and BC by QR are equal. Okay. Here one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of another triangle, and the including side, the included side, AB and BC, here PQ and QR are the same ratio. By SAS, side angle side, SAS similarity criterion, we can say that these two triangles are similar. Okay, the first one AA, two angles are corresponding angles are equal. So we can say that by AA similarity criterion, these two triangles are similar. Here the sides are proportional, corresponding sides are proportional. By SSS similarity criterion, these two triangles are similar. That means, similar means what? The corresponding angles are equal, the sides are same ratio or proportional. This is SAS, side angle side. Angle and side, included angle. The side included angle. Here SAS. Based on these three similarity criterion, we can solve the exercise 6.3. Okay. The first one AA similarity criterion, angle, at least two angle. The third angle is also equal because sum of three angles of a triangle is 190 degree. Here side, SSS similarity criterion. This is side angle side, SAA similarity criterion. Okay. Let us start the exercise. Exercise 6.3. Here the question, in figure, triangle ODC similar triangle OBA. Angle CDO equals 70 degree. Angle BOC equal 125 degree. Find angle DOC, angle DCO and angle OAB. The figure is given. Here, this is CDO are 70 degree. COB or BOC as 125 degree, that is given. We want to find DOC, this angle, that is angle 1. Angle DCO, this is, name it 2. Then OAB, this is 3. We want to find 1, 2, 3. Yes. Okay. Then how to find out these angles? Here, what about this angle? This is linear pair, straight angle, isn't it? DOB as a straight angle, that is 180 degree. So we want to find COD or DOC. We want to find DOC. So DOC angle DOC, that is 1. DOC is 1, not this. DOC plus DOC plus COB, angle COB as 180 degree. This is 120. Angle DOC plus 125 degree equal 180 degree. Therefore, angle DOC equal 180 degree minus 125 degree equal 55 degree. Okay, this is 55 degree. Then what about DCO? This is angle 2. Here this is 55 degree. In triangle DOC, angle D plus angle O plus angle C as 180 degree. This is, we find the angle 1 as 55, this is 70 degree plus 55 degree plus angle 2, that is angle C as 2 equal to 180 degree. Okay, angle C equal 180 minus, this is 125 degree equal 55 degree. Okay, angle C is 55 degree. Here, this is, what about this angle? This is 55, this is also 55 degree, vertically opposite angle. Angle C equal 55 degree. Then what is given? Angle triangle ODC similar triangle OBA. If the triangles are similar, corresponding angles are equal. The same way, angle O, this O and this is equal, vertically opposite. And D equal B, angle D equal angle B. This is also 70. And C equal angle A. What is C? C is 55 and angle A. Angle OAB. Angle OAB equal 55 degrees. CPST, corresponding parts of similar triangle. Similar triangle. Corresponding angles of similar triangle. Corresponding parts of similar triangle. Here this is 70. This is 70 degree. 70 degree. And this is 55 degree. This is also angle 2 is 55. Angle C 55. Sum of three angles of a triangle 180 degree. So we can find the angle 2. That is angle C is 55 degree. And this C and angle A are, angle C and angle A are equal because these two triangles are similar. Okay. So here the answers are 55, 55 and 55. Okay. The next question. Here the question, diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel DC intersect each other at the point O. Using a similarity criterion for two triangles, show that AO by CO equal to BO by DO. Okay. Here the question, a trapezium ABCD, this is diagonal intersected to O. In this question, we already proved by using the basic proportionality theorem. By constructing a parallel line, by using basic proportionality theorem, we already proved this question. Here we want to prove using the similarity criterion. Okay, here DC and AB are parallel. Okay, consider this parallel line, AB and DC are parallel. What about angle? These two angles, two parallel cut a transversal, alternate interior angles are equal, isn't it? Yes, alternate angles equal. Then what about these two angles? Yes, vertically opposite angles. So we can take the triangles, triangle AOB and triangle COD, angle ABO equal angle CDO. That means alternate interior angles are equal because AB and DC is parallel. Then what about angle AOB and angle COD are equal because vertically opposite angles are equal. Yes, by AA similarity criterion, we can say that triangle AOB is equal to or similar to COD. AOB similar triangle COD. If two triangles are similar, their corresponding parts are proportional. Okay, so we can write this is AO, this AO by C, or corresponding parts. AO by CO equal, then BO, that is this direction. These two sides, BO and DO. BO by DO. Okay, here angle A and C are equal. O and O equal, that is vertically opposite, and B and D. If two angles are equal, the third angle is also equal by using angles of property. If two triangles are similar, their corresponding parts are proportional. Okay. The next question. Here the question. In figure, QR by QS equal QT by PR and angle 1 equal angle 2. Show that triangle PQ is similar triangle TQR. This PQ is similar triangle TQR. Okay. Here what is given? Angle 1 equal angle 2 in triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, angle 1 equal angle 2. That means isosceles triangle. Okay. The isosceles triangle, equal angle, opposite sides are equal. That is PQ equal PR. Equation number 1. And what is given? QR by QS equal QT by PR. From 1, what is PR? Is PQ. Instead of PR, we can substitute this as PQ. So, QR by QS equal QT by PQ. Okay, QT by PQ. The sides are same ratio and the included angles are equal. By SAS similarity criterion, these two triangles are similar. Okay, which triangle? This is QRT. QRT. Triangle QRT is similar. Here QSP. That is, the order is QSP. That is Q and Q equal common. R and S equal. T and PS equal. Then we want to prove this is by rearranging this as QRT, TQR, QRTS, the same triangle, QTR. This is TQR by rearranging, that is similar to QSP, that is PQR, PQS, that is PQS. Okay, I repeat, here angle 1 and 2 are equal. That means the isosceles triangle opposite the side PQ and PRS equal. PQ and PR equal. Then QR by QS, that is given, QR by QS equal QT by PR. Instead of this PR, substitute the value of PQ. The PR is PQ. PR equal PQ. Here PQ. So, these two triangles, the corresponding sides are same ratio and one of the angle is equal to both the triangle, or this is common we can take. This is T. The arrangement is QRT and QSP. Okay, QRT and QSP. By rearranging this as PQS similar TQR. Okay. The next question, question number 5. S and T are points on the sides PR and QR of triangle PQR such that angle P equal angle RTS. Show that triangle RPQ similar triangle RTS. Here the triangle PQR S and T are the points on the side PR and QR. In PR, yes. In QR, T. Then join this TS. What is given? Angle P equal angle RTS. RTS and PR equal. We want to show triangle RPQ and triangle RTS are similar. Where is RPQS? RPQ, the larger triangle. This is RPQ, the larger triangle. Then what about RTS? RTS, the smaller triangle. Okay, consider this triangle. Triangle RPQ and triangle RTS. Both the triangle R is common, isn't it? Both the shaded region common as R. So we can write angle R. That means SRT and PRQ. Angle R equal to angle R. In this triangle, RPQ, PRQ. In this triangle, SRT. Both are common. This both the triangle as this angle as common. This smaller and larger. Common angle and then what is given? Angle P and angle T. RTS is equal. Angle P equal angle RTS. Given. That is also given. By AA similarity criterion, these two triangles are similar. What about the corresponding angles? Corresponding angles are equal. Then R equal R, T equal P. So arrange that way. Triangle RPQ, similar triangle RTS. Here R are common. This P and this T is common, is equal, and Q and S is also equal. Hence proved. Okay? Clear? Question number 6. In figure, triangle ABE congruent triangle ADC. Show that triangle ADE similar triangle ABC. Here, the figure is given. Triangle ABE. What is ABE? ABE. This is ABE. And ADC, this is ADC. These two triangles are congruent. What do you mean congruent? Yes, photostat. The corresponding sides are equal, angles equal, and the sides is also equal. So we can say AD equal, this is AB, AC, BE, CD, AE, AD. Okay, AB equal AC, BE equal DC, that's BE, DC. Then, where? AE equal AD. Okay, so we can write here AB equal AC and AD equal AE. This is 1, 2. Then dividing 2 by 1. 2 divided by 1 implies AD by AB equal AE by AC. AD by AB, AE by AC, and this is common. Angle A equal angle A common. Yes. Proportional. One is common. Included angle is common. This side and included angle by SAS similarity criterion. These two triangles are similar. What about ADE? ADE. Then ABC. Triangle ADE similar triangle ABC. How will you take this as? This ADE, ADE. Then AB and C, ABC. ADE similar, ADE similar, ABC. Okay, triangle ADE similar, triangle ABC. I repeat, this AB and AC as side of congruent triangle. So AB equal AC and AD and AE. AD and AE is also the side of congruent triangle. That is also equal. By dividing 2 by 1, AD by the result, AD by the corresponding parts. AD by AB equal AE by AC and AS common. SAS, we can say these two triangles are similar. Okay? Okay, next. Here the question number 7. In figure, altitudes AD and CE of triangle ABC intersects each other at the point P. Show that. We want to prove 4 questions. Here the triangle ABC altitude, that means the perpendicular CE and AD intersected P. Show that the first one, triangle AEP similar triangle CDP. Where is AEP? AEP, this one. AEP similar CDP. Where is CDP? CDP. First one, we want to prove these two triangles are similar. How to prove these two triangles are similar? In triangle AEP and triangle CDP, what about these angles? Vertically opposite angles are equal. Angle APE equal angle CPD. Vertically opposite angles. Then what about E and D? Yes, 90 degree. Angle E equal angle D equal 90 degree. By AA similarity criterion, these two triangles are similar. AEP similar triangle CDP. That is the answer of first one. Okay. These two triangles. Angles are equal, vertically opposite, 90 degree. Okay. Then the next one. What about the next triangle? Triangles ADB. Where is A? So ABD. ABD. ABD is this triangle. ABD and the CBE. CBE. This one. Okay. ABD, DS 90 degree, CEB, ES 90 degree and BS common, isn't it? Second part, this angle E equal angle D 90 degree, both the triangle S which is common, BS common, angle B equal to angle B common. So we can say that triangle ABD similar triangle CBE. In triangle ABD, D 90 degree and two triangles CBE, BS common and CBE is also 90 degree. By AA similarity criterion, triangle ABD similar triangle CBE. Okay. Then third one, AEP and ADB. Where is AEP? AEP. AEP. This is AEP and ADB. ADB. Yes. AEP and ADB, the larger triangle. This is angle E, in this triangle angle E and in this triangle angle DS 90 degree and AS common, angle A common both the triangle, this small triangle and larger triangle. By AA similarity criterion, these two triangles are similar. Triangle AEP similar triangle ADB. AEP similar triangle AD. It is simple question. The last part, last one. PDC and BEC. Where is PDC? PDC, the upper part. This PDC and which one? BEC. BEC, the larger one. Okay. BEC. This one. PDC and BEC. Here, CS common, both the triangle, CS common. Angle C equal, angle C common and PDC, D 90 degree, Then CBEC angle D equal angle E 90 degree by AA similarity criterion. Triangle PDC, similar triangle CBEC. Order is very very important. P equal angle P equal angle B, angle D equal angle E, angle CS common. Okay. Angle P equal this angle P equal angle B, this angle, and CS common, both the triangle, the larger and smaller, both the triangle CS common, and this is 90 degree and E is also 90 degree. Okay, this in this triangle, this side, this is 90 degree and this is 90 degree. So by AA similarity criterion, all the questions are by using AA similarity criterion. At least two angles are equal, their corresponding sides are proportional. Okay. In this part, we studied the three similarity criterion. What are they? AA similarity criterion, SSS side similarity criterion, and SAA similarity criterion. By using that criterion, exercise 6.3 up to 7 questions we solve. The remaining questions you can watch the next part of this video. Okay. Anybody feel any difficulties? Please call me. I will help you. Okay. Thank you.